If your first thought is AI might steal my job, you're not alone. If you're curious instead of scared, you're already ahead. If you want to thrive, this is for you. Here's the truth: those who learn AI tools today will lead the world of tomorrow. Unlock new careers, open fresh opportunities, unleash your creativity, all by embracing the tech that's shaping our future. Right now, AI is helping doctors spot diseases faster, teachers personalize learning, and businesses automate the boring stuff. That means you're freed up to focus on the work that actually matters, the creative, strategic, and human side. Ready to start? Dive in with free tools like ChatGPT or Google Colab. No degree required. Play around with beginner-friendly platforms like Teachable Machine. Stay curious, explore, experiment. Remember, AI is a tool, not a threat. The future doesn't belong to those who fear AI. It belongs to those who use it. Start now. Empower yourself. Subscribe to Rise with AI to master simple AI tools, unlock your potential, and stay ahead. Master the future. Rise with AI.